There you go. Fucking crushed. Right down the middle.
Oh, it got over.
Oh, left again.
Oh shit. Had some side spin on that.
Nice.
Dropped dead. Go whenever.
On to the next. It's right at it. Ooh.
I think it went over.
Really?
I think so. Turn.
Come back. Oh, that was the club.
Just pulled it. All
Alright.
Ooh.
Not much to do with no room.
Yeah. All right, guys. Both of us went long, so see what we can do. But Kona Storm 2.0. Luckily, we got the tea time up here.
Good chip. Oh. I can't see it.
Ooh. Uh-oh. Ah, I leave it short. Bogey.
Yeah. This wasn't here last
And that, guys, is why you practice putting before you come out. So don't do some dumb shit like that. But on to the next, guys. Bang. Good. Going right. Should be in that little opening over there.
Where I always am.
Yeah.
I rush. I'm not stopping in the back.
It's all right.
The big ass thunder.
Port.
It is.
It is.
God's bowling.
Something. I don't know what the fuck that is, guys, but it sounds like Armageddon in the sky.
Whoa, slice it.
It's okay. Did you get a straighter shot than I got?
I don't know if you guys picked that up on video, but that was like a thing of thunder cracking for at least 30, 40 seconds. Might have been the wildest shit I heard out here in a minute.
Oh, chunky, chunky, chunky. You suck.
Got Dad about 202 out. Gotta go over the tree. Oh, got through. It's up there on the front edge, just on the hill. Sorry guys, recording this on my phone.
Okay.
Oh, Shanks and Shakaz, boys, especially with the wedge.
We're trying to land it right in the spring.
All right, guys, shank the last one. Try not to do that again. It's gonna be long, but who gives a fuck? It ain't in the bunker. All right, guys, shank the wedge. Pitch the next wedge over the green. So we fucking putting this from off the green.
That's good.
Dad for the par. Ooh, that's my fault. I should have shut up. All right, guys. Love to keep it going, but we might have to end it on this one. We got some rain coming. Hopefully not, though. Hopefully we can keep it rolling. So let's see. Par 3. About 225 yards. So let's see what we can do, guys.
There you go. In the bunker.
Son of a bitch.
The 4.
That's not strong like you.
It's okay. Dad with the 5 wood. All good.
Halfway there.
Dad in that thick rough. Like we playing the open right now. Holy fuck, it got over. Over the green too. Over the tree and over the green. Like I said, got a lot of rain, so we ain't playing bunker shot today.
Standing water.
Yeah.
In the other bunker.
In the other bunker. Fuck. Alright guys, I lied. Not in the bunker. Got lucky. Just missed it on the hill over there. Dad flew to green, so see what happens. Got some rain coming down. Oh shit. Yeah. Right in the mud pit. Good shot. Still going?
Yep.
Boy. All right, you see what Dad can do.
Leave the glove on. The glove on my bowl.
All right, guys. Once again, Richard here with my dad, coming at you from Maui, Shanks and Shakaz. Rain's coming in, so I think we're out of here, guys. If it clears up, we'll bring you guys some more holes on the back. So till then, aloha. God bless from Maui, everybody. All right.